morning, children. In this video, we are going to learn the international system of numeration. You must be wondering that we have already learned the Indian system of numeration, so why is there a need to learn international now? But children, I'll tell you, Indian system of numeration uses lakhs and crores. Now these two words have been picked up from Hindi language. In Hindi, we call them lakh, crore, and in English, we call them lakhs and crores. Now suppose after growing up, you become a scientist or an international businessman. So if you will talk in terms of lakhs and crores to people from England, US, Japan, they will not understand. Why? Because these words are Indian words. Those people do not understand these words. To tell them about large numbers, you have to use international system. So in next few videos, I am going to teach you how to read and write numbers, large numbers in international system of numeration. So children, come, let us do this system with the help of PowerPoint slides. Let us learn international system of numeration with the help of this table. In international system, we use thousands and millions. The first period, however, is same both in international as well as Indian system, which is the ones period. In ones period, there are three places: 1, 10 and 100. In thousands period, there are again three places: 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. In millions, again there are three places: 1 million, 10 million and 100 million. So children, when the digits are written in the place value chart, then the three digits which are written in the thousands period, we are supposed to read them together. Same way, the three digits which are written in the millions period, we are supposed to read those three digits together. Now I am going to show you how we are supposed to read the numbers in international system of numeration. Okay, now we are going to learn till 1 million in class 4. In class 5, we will go till 100 million. So let us read the first number. 1,792,468. Please note, I have read the digits 7, 9 and 2 which are lying in thousands place like this: 792,000. Now why did I speak like this? Because 7 is in 100,000s place, 9 is in 10,000s place and 2 is in 1,000s place. So when I say 792,000, actually this 1,000 which is there everywhere in all the places, I am using it at the back for 792. So once again I am going to read this number: 1,792,468. Come, let us read the next number. Now in the next number, 3 is at millions place. So simple, we will say 3,800,245. Now, in thousands place there is 800, and if we have to read 800, what do we say? We say 800. So that is why I said 800,000. Once again I am going to read 3,800,245. The third one is 7,200,357. Next one, 2,460,580. Again children, please note that the digits 460 which are there in thousands period, we are reading them together like 460,000. Okay, I'll repeat this number again. 2,460,580. Let us read the next number. 9,870,000. Did you notice children? Since in the thousands period there are 3 zeros. Can you see these 3 zeros in thousands period? So I just skipped saying 1,000 totally. So how did I read the number? 9,870,000. Let's come to the next number. 5,27,003. In this number children, in thousands place there is 027. So how are you supposed to say 027? 0 is at 100,000 place, so 100,000 means 0. So I read it like this: 5,27,003. There was nothing at hundreds place and there was nothing at tens place, so I just skipped saying these places altogether. Now let us see the millions, the last number, where in millions place we have 8. Now this number will be read like this: 8,915,712. Children, 915 were there in thousands period, so I read them together as 915,000. So this is 8,915,712. I hope children you would have understood how to read the large numbers in international system of numeration. Please practice this. It is very, very important, since if you have to communicate with someone who is living abroad, a foreigner who does not understand lakhs and crores, you have to talk in millions and thousands. Also, the figures which are published in foreign journals and foreign magazines, always they mention millions and thousands. So it is very important for you to understand this concept. Please practice it. Thank you and have a nice day.